Hey, I'm Forrest and we're back with the Lending Library. Today we got in this Edison Robotics EdCreate pack for the classroom. So let's get into the box here. All right, so the first thing is this case, and inside we've got 18 Edison Robots. Each one of these is one robot, and each one comes with a remote control. There's also a charging cable right here. We'll send it to you with batteries also, and so all of these will be ready to drive around in your class when you get them. The great thing about these Edison robots is they're all Lego compatible, so you can build any kind of Lego creation you want and power it just using these Edison robots. You can program your remote to control the Edison and make it do all kinds of cool stuff. The other great thing about the Edison robots is that you can program them using a whole bunch of different languages. You can use the EdBlocks, which is more elementary, EdScratch, which is kind of a middle school age, and then EdPython or EdPy, which would be like a high school level. But even more simple than that, the Edisons can be programmed just by having them drive over a barcode, and that will program them to do whatever it is that you want them to do. We also got, since this is the EdCreate pack, it came with 9 of these packages. So this gives you all the parts that you need to build a claw, a digger, a tank, a crane, and even a printer. For these, you'd use 2 robots, or maybe your students work in pairs and they click together like this. You can take the wheels off or take the tires off the wheels and add a belt or a gear, whatever the specific build requires. But even more simple than that, you can just do a whole bunch of activities with just the robots themselves and a few barcodes. So let's go try that out. All right, here we go. We're going to take these 2 Edison robots and we are going to wrestle them. So the first thing we do is you just turn it over. There's a little switch on the bottom. Flip that over. It'll make a beep at you and start flashing here. I'm gonna do the same one on this one. Got them both. Take it over, put it right in front of your barcode, and push this circle record button 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. All right, drives over the barcode, and you know you've scanned it. All right, and then 1, 2, 3. All right, both have been scanned. They are ready to sumo wrestle, but we need to draw the ring, and we need our contestants. So we've got green versus purple here. Here we go, there's green, and let's get purple on here. All right, and I'm gonna push play, the triangle button. Here we go. Oh, and green loses. Purple's the winner. All right, so that's sumo wrestling. You can imagine, building all kinds of different contraptions onto the robots to see what helps them push each other out of the ring. Probably help to draw a little bit thicker ring, but you get the idea. Super fun, super easy.